Hey guys, today we have a 2011 Four Winds Hurricane 33T that we just got in. Just came in from Sacramento. We have one employee that goes out and picks up all of our units, says it has great power coming back through the mountains, drive like a dream. This is the large kitchen slide with the slide topper. You have your 5500 watt Onan generator, large DSI water heater with your outside shower. There's your dump station. Has the large pass-through in the very back of it. Lots of storage on this underneath, you can see. You do have an entrance to the back, in the back here for the back storage. Backup camera. Here's the other side of that large back pass-through. See, the LCI leveling system does work, and it is down. We're completely level on that. You have your large patio awning, acrylic fabric. And this is the other living room slide for your dinette slide. A couple more storage bays. Here is 2011 Four Winds Hurricane 33T. This is a mid-entry model. Makes it extra nice for the front passenger when you're stopping to get gas. You're not always getting bugged by that. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. We have the large jackknife couch. Little recliner here behind the passenger seat. You can see the fabric on this leather. Whoever had this took amazing condition of it. Dash, there's no cracks, looks great. Driver's seat. And you have the extra countertop that slides out. Nice hardwood floors, makes it easy to upkeep. Large dinette with lots of storage underneath that. Go through your living room TV. It does have the day and night shades. That's the pull-out storage racks. Your fridge and freezer here. Plenty of room in those. Go back to the bedroom. Lots of storage back here in the bedroom. It's a large RV queen. Got your bedroom TV, the climate control. This is a dual AC. Upgraded 2-in-1 washer and dryer. Large bathroom. Upgraded porcelain sink. And an extra large skylight in the shower. If you have any questions on this model or any model we have, feel free to give us a call at 801-572-0525 or go on our website, recreationrvsales.com. Thanks, guys.